box is heavy, y'all. I literally had just got done filming a full face of testing out new makeup, but kind of catching you guys up on my life. And I said I wasn't going to film after this because I still currently have no AC. I do have some portable AC, but it's all in the living room, the bedroom, and my filming room and our guest bedroom are 80 degrees. So we're here. If my pits look like they're sweaty, oh yeah.
I mean, that's nasty.
They are. It's because I am so freaking hot. But I opened this up and I was like, oh shit. This has all 3 boxes and I love unboxing them when they're all 3 boxes because we have some really good Iconbox. So we're going to go and dive right on in. They stock this box up. This box is heavy. So this one says the Beauty Olympics. On your marks, get set, play. Ipsy's coaching you through the beauty basics with everyday makeup must-have, transitional skincare to prep for your fall glow, and healthy looking hair revivers worthy of gold medals. Ooh, I'm so excited to see what we got in here.
I'm gonna take a moment to kind of fan myself because
I don't know if this belongs in any of the bags. If it does, I'm so sorry. But this is outside the box. So first thing I see, oh my God, what? This is the perfect chocolate chunk cookie mix. Just add egg and butter. Oh my God, are they throwing cookies at me? Do they know that I've had just like the worst month ever? Like what? That is so cool. Okay, so I have not heard of this brand. Oh, this is actually by Chrissy Teigen. It's called Taste. Cravings by Chrissy Teigen. Well, shit. Well, shit. Say less. So you need 4 ounce, 1 stick unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, 1 large egg, room temp, and baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Ooh, we are definitely going to have to make this bad boy. I cannot believe they gifted us this. That's so freaking cool. Next, they also threw in the Rose Hip and Sea Buckthorn Oil Deep Moisturizer. This is a natural bamboo, gently exfoliates and cleans, aloe vera claims. So this is by Loved01. So I don't know if this is supposed to belong to any particular box. So I do apologize, but y'all, I'm excited. Okay, so then next we do have the Ipsy Glam Bag. We have the Boxycharm box, and we have this month's Iconbox. We're gonna dive into the Ipsy Glam Bag first because we're gonna see what this is all about. Now this I think retails now for $14 compared to the $10 that it used to retail for. I don't get to have a say in what I get. It just kind of gets sent to me. I don't get to personalize it. I wish I did, but at the same time it's kind of cool that I don't because it really is truly a surprise. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right on in. So first thing I noticed is they threw in the same Beauty Olympics bag right here. They threw in the same Beauty Olympics right here, and it says that they also have limited edition mystery bags for the win. Ready to take the #1 spot for the best gift giver? Treat the whole squad to exclusive bag picked with 5 surprise products, each a champion in its own right. Scoop up the winning bag haul starting on August 12th. Nice. So in here we do have this little makeup blending sponge. It has a little panda. It looks like it's by the brand Me to You. Oh my God, this is super cute. I will always try an extra beauty sponge because, well, you guys always like to tell me my sponges are really dirty and you're like, girl, throw that shit out. And I'm just like, but it's super soft and I love it. And you guys are like, it's nasty. Get rid of it. Friends don't let friends have nasty makeup sponges or beauty brushes, and I need to tell myself that because I need to wash mine. Anyone volunteer? Next we have this little glam bag right here. I'm not gonna lie, I do not think this is cute. I don't think she's cute, but hopefully that stuff inside actually is. So let's go ahead and open her up. First thing we have is a little, oh my God, okay, this is the little mini Professional matte primer. So Benefit just took everybody to Santorini, Greece. I'm so jealous I was not invited on that trip. One day I'm gonna manifest it. And it's because they were advertising their brand new mattifying primer and their mattifying setting powder. I'm so excited to try those out. So the fact they sent this here, I'm absolutely gonna be trying this because I haven't gotten a PR. I'm sure I will down the line, but I'm really, really excited to give this a go. And I look like I'm starting to sweat. I look like I'm starting to sweat. All right, well, she's got to do. Next, they threw in I'm Red Wine. This is a pore tightening mask from Tony Moly. Love the name, Tony Moly. So it's gonna be a pore tightening mask right here. Next, this bag includes a Stone Street Soap House Hey Ho! This is a wholesome body souffle. Never heard of this brand. I like the name though. Hey Ho! And then lastly, this bag will also include this little Beauty Vault Regal palette from a brand. I don't know. Not bad. Not bad. I feel like this is a really great palette. I feel like this is a cool color scheme to have just in time for the fall season. So you get this palette, a little beauty sponge, and then you get three travel size products right here. Definitely not a bad for $14. It's not bad. Oh, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are the curators of this month's Iconbox. Well, that is good to know. Okay. Good to know. So first things first, we got a product from Keys. This is going to be the Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. Nice. Actually, it's so funny. All of the Key products that I do own is actually because of Boxycharm. So they're just stocking up my line. So thank you so much. I've heard great things about this brand. I still haven't really tried it yet. But this is supposed to be a rejuvenating cream that provides a long-lasting hydration and helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a smooth, supple feel. This is Alicia Keys' brand, so that's actually pretty exciting. Next, they threw in a P.O Box. This is a lip potion. This is an overnight lip mask. Cool. Looks like so. Next, they threw in a product from Eye Maquillage. This is going to be a mineral baked highlighter. This thing is actually pretty huge. It's so funny. I have never, ever tried this brand. Wow, this thing is actually really huge. And they've liked several of my Instagram videos before, which is kind of interesting because they don't follow me. But I'm like, how did you guys discover me? But I see them all over TikTok, all over like my For You page and stuff like that. And people saying this is the best foundation. I kind of want to try the brand. But this is going to be how that baked highlighter looks. She's actually super cute. Definitely, like, it's very light. It's right here. Very light in pigment. I'm sure they'll give you like a beautiful like lit from within style glow. Next, this box included a Fleur and Bees. This is the Eye Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. Y'all, if you know, you know. If you're new here, hi, I'm Allie. I'm 34, and ever since I've been on the Boxycharm and Ipsy PR list in 2020, they have only ever really given me eye creams, eye mask, anything eye related. And it's because they realized that I had turned 30 that year, and they're like, ooh, this bitch needs it. And of all the skincare products, we got to give her the eye stuff. So if I ever laugh at this, it's just specifically because of that. So yeah, you know what's so funny is I actually do use a lot of eye products because I do got them crow's feet. You see that? If I ever do get Botox, first thing I'd always get rid of. That'd be the first and only thing I get rid of is that right there. It's the, they say smile lines. I like to call it lifelines. So we got that. And lastly for this box, we got a eyeshadow palette, and it's from Iconic London. It says Treat Yourself Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh. Definitely not what I expected when I first got this, but this is really definitely what I expected when I first opened it, but this is pretty. This is a really pretty like springy summer palette. So that's everything that we got in the Boxycharm box. We got an eyeshadow palette, we got an eye cream, a serum, a lip mask, a highlighter, and maybe this too. Or maybe this is outside of it. I'm not really sure, but honestly, this is not a bad box. I like the 3:2 ratio of skincare and makeup, so this is definitely not a bad box. Boxycharm always steps up their game whenever they have an icon box. I don't know what it is, but they always put better products in those boxes. So now we're gonna move on to the icon box, which is the box that everybody here wants to see. Alrighty, so let's see what we got in this month's icon box. So up first, we have the Chrissy and John Live Like a Legend. Ooh, for that pasta. Y'all, I'm starving and that pasta looks freaking delicious. Not them trying to get me wanting some pasta right now. Oh my God, it makes me so hungry. I'm just sweating because of it. All right, so let's see what type of brands they put in here. They have like a lot of food recipes in here too. Okay, well, let's see what we got. Alrighty, let's do this together. Surprise, surprise. We have this brand called Lith. Right here. This looks to be an eye brushette. It's not featured anywhere on this little thing. Okay, it's not featured anywhere on this thing. But here's the eye brushette from Lith. Never tried this brand before, but we got this. Oh, why am I not surprised? We got Pathology. This is going to be Surf Chill Over Ice. This is a firming eye gel mask. Like, you just put these, like, I guess, in the refrigerator, and you put it on as an eye mask. Put tired, puffy eyes on ice with these cooling eye gels. Formulated with supercharged cocktails of firming ingredients, including 9 different peptides, cloudberry oil, and plant-based retinol alternatives. They're a powerful refreshment for under the eye bags and fine lines. What did I just tell you guys? Like literally what I just tell you. Is this on here? Or is this all about food? Oh, you know what? I lied. This is on here. This is just hidden. This retails for $26 and it's Lift Beauty Everyday Brush Set. I am so sorry. Okay, so the Pathology retails for $35 and she says that these firming eye gels offer a much needed cocktail of a depuffing ingredient that feel cool on contact for incredible, fresh, refreshing wear. Are we gonna look like Chrissy Teigen? Cause like, say less. Next, we got something from, this is from First Aid Beauty. These are the facial radical pads with glycolic and lactic acid. This is safe for sensitive skin. And this retails for $38. Cool, I'm always down to try new facial pads. My favorite is actually from Elemis. It's the dynamic resurfacing pads. I love those, so I'm definitely down to give that a go. Next, we got a product from KVD. This is going to be the Pore Refining Primer. Ooh, y'all, the way that I never tried this before, and I'm so excited. So this actually does retail for retails for $34, and this says that this minimizes the look of pores instantly over time, hydrating, blurring, makeup extending, and infused with rice water and green lentil. I have always wanted to try this. I was supposed to get it a long time ago. I just ended up never getting it because I honestly forgot. So I'm so excited that's here because I can finally try it. Because if you guys don't know, hi, if you're new here, hi, again, I'm Allie, 34 years old. I suffer from very oily skin and I have extremely large pores, if you guys can't tell. I don't hide them. I don't put beauty filters on. I show my pores for exactly what they are, especially if I zoom in. Let me show you. Y'all see that? You see that right there? That's them large pores. You see that? Yeah. We don't hide that around here. So I'm excited to try that out to see how well they are. God, I just stood up out of my seat. You should see the sweat standing in my seat. Okay. We got a product from Kosas. Ooh, this is going to be the Weightless Lip Color in the shade Warmy Rose Pink. High Cut. Ooh. I have really started to like Kosas products, so I'm excited to try this out. Let's see how this product looks. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, it kind of matches my lips. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that is exciting. I wonder how much this one retails for. $26. Oh, my God, y'all, I am such an idiot. This is $26. This is $48. Up next, we got a product from Fenty Skin. This is going to be Watch Your Tone. This is Niacinamide Dark Spark Serum. Dark Spot Serum. Okay, so this says that this is a potent niacinamide vitamin C that hits the spot for brightening all over, reduces the look of dark spots and even skin tones right here. Retails for $42. I think I probably won't end up using this just because I don't really have dark spots on my skin, so I'd rather pass this to somebody who may need it more than me. Next, I got this product from Femu. This is a brilliant cleansing gel. So this is an anti-stress moments for you and your skin. Our intuitive, collaborative formulas, harmless floral cellar energy to ease the root cause of stress in both you and your skin. So this retails for $32 and it says, the minute I'm home from an event, I'll wash my face. I love being fresh face, feeling much more confident in my skin now. I wonder if this has a smell. No. All right, last but not least, in this box, we have the Iconic London. This is a multi-use cream blush palette. I feel like I've gotten this before in a box. This is how the palette looks. I don't know how much use I would get out of this, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and pass this along as well, but this was definitely included in the box. So I don't really know where box this belonged to, but I will take it. So this box included 3 makeup products. We have 3 makeup products. We have, let's see, 4 skincare products, and then 1 facial product right here. So overall, definitely not my favorite Iconbox. I've loved previous Iconboxes before where there's definitely more makeup variety than skincare, but I do notice that a lot of like Iconboxes do heavily focus on skincare. Maybe that's also why they have the most amazing glowing skin in the world. Well, also because they had the money for it. Let's just be realistic here. But honestly, it's not a bad box. I do get brands in here that I absolutely do recognize, and it's always fun to get. So at the end of the day, I do think that Boxycharm actually, at the end of the day, I do think that Iconbox actually did pretty decent. Not my favorite, but they did pretty decent. So overall, I have to say that this month Ipsy, Boxycharm, and the Iconbox actually did pretty good. They did pretty good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Typically their boxes tend to be very disappointing, but this month was exciting. I feel like all of their Iconbox boxes always are really exciting. They usually do really good boxes then, so I'm excited to see what they do next. They do have some sneak peeks for the next month, so if you guys do want to check it out. Looks like there's some Murad, some Alchemist, some J.Lo Skin in here, some Gold McFadden, some The Ordinary. So this is just like a sneak peek for next month, which I think is actually really cool. So overall, I like this month's box, but let me know, did you guys like this month's box? And do you guys still get these? Let me know, besties. So with that said, I'm gonna go take a very cold shower because your girl is just miserable over here. And if you guys love me and if you guys want to be so sweet and supportive, please give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful paid members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video.